Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2005 Honda CR-V VTEC in metallic blue finish with the 16-inch with Honda alloy wheels. As you can see, the vehicle has got side steps, privacy glass and roof rails. It's got split folding rear seats as well. In the front wheel of the vehicle, it's got front forks and headlamp washers. Contrasting below interior with 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, a rear center armrest with some cup holders, and for your safety, it's got front side and rear airbags. So here we have the electric windows and mirrors. It's got cruise control. Manual transmission, multifunctional steering wheel, the cruise control on the right hand side, some volume controls on the left hand side, and then it's got both driver and passenger side armrests, some kind of table in the middle with some cup holders, air conditioning with a climate control, a cool box, AM/FM radio and a CD player, and glass to the inside. Sunroof. This was the video walk around of the 2005 Honda CR-V VTEC. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.